This is our deburring table. We added some wheels to it initially with the intention of being able to move the deburring table around so we can deburr and CNC at the same time. In the process of doing that, we discovered that we can also use the table with the wheels to transport doors and panels from the CNC to the deburring section without carrying them. Before, this is how we would transport a panel or a door to the deburring section. We'd have to pick the panel, door up, physically carry it to the section. And remember, they vary in sizes, so some of them are not going to be this easy. Now, with the addition of wheels to the table, we are able to reduce the lifting of panels and doors. And now we eliminated carrying panels and doors to the section.